Did you know that China's appetite for resources and goods has transformed trade relations across the globe? But which Latin American countries are benefiting the most from this boom? Stay tuned because today we're diving into the top 5 Latin American nations that are cashing in big with exports to China. If you're passionate about global trade, economics, and the intricate dance of international markets, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our deep dives. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the complexities of the global economy into digestible and fascinating insights. Today, we're exploring a vital topic: how Latin America is fueling China's massive demand for raw materials and agricultural products. So, let's get started with a quick overview. Latin America is rich in natural resources, and several countries have emerged as major exporters to China. We're going to count down the top 5, analyzing what they export and why China is so eager to buy from them. Number 5. Argentina. Next, at number 5, we have Argentina. Argentina is a powerhouse when it comes to agricultural exports. The main products shipped to China are soybeans and beef. As China's middle class grows, so does its appetite for protein, and Argentina is perfectly positioned to meet this demand. In 2023, Argentina exported approximately $10 billion worth of soybeans to China, making it one of the top suppliers. Number 4, Peru. Our number for spot goes to Peru, another country rich in minerals. Like Chile, Peru exports large quantities of copper to China. However, Peru also has a significant trade in fish meal, used as animal feed, which is crucial for China's aquaculture industry. With exports totaling around $12 billion in 2023, Peru is a key player in supplying China with both minerals and agricultural products. Number 3. Brazil. Coming in at number 2 is Brazil, a giant in the global agricultural market. Brazil's top exports to China include soybeans, iron ore, and crude oil. In 2022, Brazil's soybean exports alone were valued at over $30 billion. China's demand for Brazilian soybeans is driven by the need for animal feed in its booming livestock industry. Additionally, Brazil's iron ore is crucial for China's steel production, while crude oil supports its vast energy needs. Number 2, Chile. Next on our list is Chile, a country that has strategically harnessed its mineral wealth. Chile is the world's leading copper producer, and copper is its primary export to China. In 2023, copper exports to China were valued at over $35 billion. Beyond copper, Chile exports fruits, wine, and fish to China, showcasing the country's diverse export portfolio. Number 5, Mexico. Finally, we have Mexico, known for its diverse export economy. Mexico's top exports to China include electronic goods, automotive parts, and avocados. In 2023, these exports were valued at over $42 billion. Mexico's electronics and automotive industries are pivotal in meeting China's tech and transport demands.